Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Cherry Gardens and I was asked by a subscriber to stop saying Cherry Gardens is the number one neighborhood in Jamaica and simply say it's one of the top neighborhoods in Jamaica. So to accommodate our subscriber, we'll explain to you why we say it's the number one neighborhood. Now, a ranking comes out, before COVID, it used to come out every year. And that ranking would rank the neighborhoods. I'm not sure what criteria they use. I'm not sure if it's the cost. Well, I don't think it's the cost of the home because there's another list with the most expensive neighborhoods. This list just has the top neighborhoods in Jamaica. I'm going to put if I can find the list, I'll put a link in the description. But it had, the last list I saw, and I don't know if any list has come out since COVID hit, had Cherry Gardens as the number one neighborhood. It had Jacks Hill as number two, and it had Millsboro at number three. Now it had more, but I just don't remember the list offhand. So it's not that we're making it up, we're going off that list. And that list seems to come out every year. So I'm not sure what criteria they use, but we will just leave it at one of the top neighborhoods in Jamaica. Because maybe a new list came out and the order changed, but those three areas are always in the top three. One, sometimes Jackson is number one, sometimes Cherry Gardens is number one. But I'm going to look for the list so that we can quote it in the video, so that we can just explain basically how we do the ranking. Alright, so this is the Cherry Gardens area. Straight ahead is Jacks Hill, and Cherry Gardens goes up into Jacks Hill. Now there is a area also called Jacks Hill, the neighborhood, but that hill is called Jacks Hill. So the neighborhood and the hill have the same name. So I don't want to confuse anybody. Cherry Gardens goes Sunset Avenue, which is the road straight in front of us. It goes up into Jacks Hill. And Cherry Gardens goes up as far as the fork in the road where Sunset Avenue ends. Okay, these people have planted a tree. I guess it's to let people know not to drive there. Right, so Cherry Gardens goes all the way up onto Jacks Hill. And I think it borders the Jacks Hill area as well. So if you leave Cherry Gardens, the next area would be Jacks Hill. The neighborhood of Jacks Hill. And both the neighborhood of Jacks Hill and Cherry Gardens are found on the actual hill. It's the same way you have the parish of Kingston and the city of Kingston. Now, I don't know if people even know there's a difference, but Kingston Parish is actually downtown and Port Royal. That's the parish of Kingston. It has about 90,000 people. It's the smallest parish in Jamaica. Now, the city of Kingston includes the downtown area and includes areas in St. Andrew. So the city of Kingston goes as far as Harborview in St. Andrew, it goes as far as Stony Hill, and it goes as far as 6 miles. So that is why the city of Kingston is the largest city in Jamaica. It's also why you have areas called Kingston 8, Kingston 10, and they are the postal code. So for instance, Cherry Gardens, the postal code is Kingston 8. And it's located, okay, Cherry Gardens, the postal code is Kingston 8, and Cherry Gardens is located in the parish of St. Andrew. But it also falls within the city of Kingston limits because where Stony Hill is further up. So a lot of people get confused. Like New Kingston, it's in the parish of St. Andrew, but it is a part of the city of Kingston. Now another example is Halfway Tree, which is the capital of the parish of St. Andrew, but it is a part of the city of Kingston. Now the city of Kingston has about 940,000 people in it, within that area. But I think what confuses people is people just say Kingston. Everybody knows Kingston is the capital of Jamaica. There's a parish called Kingston. So persons just say Kingston and nobody really stops to even think about it or notice it. But another thing that would confuse people is Kingston and St. Andrew have the same administration. The parish of Kingston and the parish of St. Andrew are controlled by the KSAC. So they control both parishes, and I think that also some people might even think Kingston and St. Andrew is one parish. There was a interview once with a politician, and I don't remember exactly, but the politician made it sound like the Kingston and St. Andrew was one parish, but it's actually two separate parishes, but they are they are controlled or administratively run by the KSAC, both. So that just helps to confuse people even more, because they just say KSAC and that's for Kingston and St. Andrew. So a question to ask is, why don't they just have one parish, Kingston and St. Andrew? And Portmore is going to become a parish soon, so you would still have the 14. I don't know, I've never figured out why Kingston and St. Andrew are two separate parishes. And Kingston is it's the smallest parish. The parish of Kingston is the smallest. Administratively, it's the same administration as St. Andrew. So why not just merge both parishes into one? And there was a time when Jamaica had 22 parishes, and then they were merged and submerged, and they ended up with 14. So it's not something that's uncommon. It's just that since Jamaica has gained independence, they have not changed the name of any parish. They have not even changed the capital of any parish. They've just accepted everything as they got it from the English. So when Portmore becomes a parish, that will be the first parish that an independent Jamaica has created. Alright guys, well, this started as a tour of Cherry Gardens and it ended up in I guess a geography lesson. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and leave your comments in the section below. Let me know what you think, and remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.